Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Ever felt the sting of international transaction fees? You're not alone. Traveling the world, sending money abroad, or even just shopping online from overseas sellers can come with some hidden costs. Today, we're diving deep into two popular money transfer services, Wise and YouTrip. We'll compare fees, features, and everything in between to help you decide which one reigns supreme for your international money needs. So, which warrior will rise in this global financial battle? Buckle up, Globetrotters, because it's about to get interesting. Round 1, Fees, the silent assassin of your wallet. Let's face it, fees are a pain. No one wants to see a chunk of their hard-earned cash vanish into thin air. So, how do Wise and YouTrip stack up in this crucial category? Wise prides itself on transparent fees. They typically charge a small transfer fee, plus a markup on the mid-market exchange rate. This means you know exactly what you'll pay up front, which is a big plus for budgeting. YouTrip, on the other hand, takes a different approach. They often advertise zero transfer fees, which sounds fantastic. However, they might make their money through a hidden currency markup. This can be a little tricky to calculate beforehand, making budgeting a tad more challenging. Round 2, Features, the all-star lineup. Fees are important, but features matter too. Let's see what tools Wise and YouTrip offer to enhance your international money management experience. Wise boasts a wide range of features, including multi-currency accounts, hold and convert between multiple currencies seamlessly. Borderless account, receive international payments like a local, perfect for freelancers. Debit card, spend your funds abroad with competitive conversion rates. YouTrip focuses on convenience for travelers, with features like multi-currency wallet, store and manage various currencies in one place. Competitive exchange rates, get good rates, especially for popular travel destinations. Instant top-up, refill your wallet on the go with your debit card. Round 3, Supported currencies and countries, expanding your horizons. The world is your oyster, but can your money transfer service keep up? Here's a breakdown of which countries and currencies Wise and YouTrip support. Wise shines with an impressive global reach, supporting transfers to a vast number of countries and a wide range of currencies. YouTrip, while still offering a decent selection, might not be as extensive as Wise, especially for less common destinations. Round 4, User interface and mobile app, the battle for convenience. Let's be honest, no one wants to wrestle with a clunky app. Both Wise and YouTrip offer user-friendly mobile apps that allow you to manage your money on the go. Wise's app is known for its clean interface and intuitive design. Sending and receiving money is straightforward, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned travelers. YouTrip's app is designed with a focus on travel, offering a visually appealing and easy-to-use interface. It caters well to those who prioritize a seamless travel experience. The final verdict, a champion emerges, but it depends. So, who wins the Wise versus YouTrip battle? The truth is, it depends on your specific needs. Choose Wise if transparency and fees is your top priority. You need to manage multiple currencies and receive international payments. You travel frequently to a wide range of destinations. Choose YouTrip if convenience and competitive exchange rates for popular travel destinations are key. You prioritize a user-friendly and travel-focused mobile app. You don't need multi-currency accounts or international payment receiving capabilities. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Both Wise and YouTrip offer excellent services. Consider your priorities, weigh the features, and choose the champion that best suits your international money management needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.